Okay. Monster snowstorm, January 2011. Try to get a good shot. You know, this is actually 3 in a row. 3 in a row. I don't know if you can tell, but let's see. It's over my head. The bankings over my head. Here's my truck. Driveway looks good. I did it all by hand. Big driveway because it's got that snap-on truck, my pickup truck, and then straight into the garage. A lot of work. All by hand, except for one of the town trucks came by, and I asked them, actually my neighbor asked them if they could just do the front of the driveway, which was a big help. Big help. And he did it. He did it. He did some damage to my driveway, but hey, he was doing me a favor, so. And I gotta make a spot for the mail lady to drop the mail off, so that was a chore too. It's like 9 feet. It's gotta be 12 feet high over that mailbox. And then the majestic, beautiful scenery halfway up that tree stump. It's actually a beautiful day right now. Nice and sunny. There's my house. Lots of icicles hanging off. But look at the snow. Ooh, look at the snow. And then down the street, we ain't gonna see grass till April. No chance in seeing any grass till April. I'm done. I guess, you know what, I do have to get up on the top of my roof and shovel the snow off of that because they don't like that. And if a cop sees you going down the highway with all that snow flying off, he will pull you over and give you a ticket. Let's see if you can see these icicles hanging. Not real big, huge monster ones, but there's a couple long ones over there though. And then I did the path. Look at how beautiful the sky looks though. Did the path up to the doorway, the front door. I cheated here. I made it skinny over here. I wasn't going to go any wider. Don't need to. There you go. Let me see if anybody's home. Ding dong. Anybody home? Hi. They're peeking. They're peeking out. Marquis peeked out the door, so he's probably... Oh, here comes somebody. Who's coming? Oh, it's a panic. They can't open the door. They can't open it. Look at them icicles.
What is that?
Hi, Marquis. Hi, Connor. How you doing?
There's all icicles over there.
Connor, you want an icicle?
No.
I can't believe the kids didn't come out and play in it. I love it out here. I love it. Oh, you know what I did make? Roxanne won't let me put Connor in there right now, but we'll wait till Kara gets home. And Kara can put him in. How about an igloo, huh? Let's get down in there. Goes in there pretty far. It'll fit Connor. He could probably sit down in there comfortable. And he could dig it out even more. He could dig it out and make it huge because the snow is so big. Hi. I'm laying down on the driveway. Everybody thinks I'm nuts, but it's fun. Anyways, igloo in there. Hello. Echo. Okay. Let's see what else is around. There's not too much else. Just snow, snow everywhere. Snow. Oh, here comes Jason. Here comes number one son. Let me see. He's smiling. That's his car because he wrecked his other car. So he's got his car's in the body shop. See if he's gonna come out. He might be talking on the phone. He's watching me, so maybe he's waiting for me to turn it off. Yeah, and up there. Hey, Jason!
Turn it off.
Look it.
Turn it off.
Look.
I see it.
Cool or what?
Did Connor go in it?
No, Roxanne, Mom won't let me.
Why?
Because it's dangerous. What if it caves in? It goes in there pretty big. Remember we used to do them when we were kids? When you were kids?
6
Oh,
feet tall.
yeah, I want to get a... Yeah, because that's 6 feet.
Do the car. Go from behind.
From behind the car? Oh yeah, measure it to the car. Yeah, they're taller than the car. Look at them icicles. Did somebody come out and plow you out?
I shoveled it.
The whole thing?
Uh-huh.
Wow. Alright.